हे श्री शनिदेव महाराज, आप समस्त देशवासियों को हमेशा खुश रखना, प्रसन्न रखना। जय हो हमारे आदरणीय पूजनीय माता और पिता की, जय हो हमारे आदरणीय पूजनीय भैया और भाभी की। चैनल पर आने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। अपने सपनों को साकार करने के लिए या तो निखर जाओ या फिर बिखर जाओ।
Class has started. Class has started, but where is teacher? Guys, I know you all students and all my new and all friends are thinking that class has started, but where is teacher? Guys, please don't worry because I am coming here. Guys, as you know, this is our YouTube channel and I teach English content every day here and I upload one content every day here. Guys, if you all students and all my new and old friends don't subscribe our YouTube channel, then guys, please I request to you all students and all my new and old friends that please subscribe our YouTube channel and share these all students and all my new and old friends who want to learn English grammar and improve English conversation in his life. Guys, as you know, this is my educational channel and I teach every day English content here. Guys, please look this video completely because guys, this video is very helpful for your improving English conversation and your English vocabulary. Guys, I want to tell you and all my new and old friends a short story. Guys, this short story is related of motivation. Guys, so guys, please listen first to this story, guys. Guys, this story is guys, you are a student. Guys, if you are a real student, and guys, if you are a person, if guys you are a real person and you have not achieved any success in your life, guys, if you have not achieved any success in your life, then guys, please don't worry because guys, I will want to tell you how can you be success in your life. Yes guys, I will want to tell you and all my new and old friends how can you and your student and your son be success in your life. Then guys, please look this video completely. Guys, if you want to be success in your life, then guys, please remember your dreams. Guys, please remember your dreams. And guys, second tips for success, please look, guys, please look at these new and old persons and all students who is success in their life. Guys, I want to tell you, please look, guys, please look these all new and old person and all students who is success in their life. Then guys, I will want to tell you all students and all my new and old friends that you and all my dear friends have to very hard work in your life. Then guys, you can success in your life. Yes guys, then you can success in your life. Guys, we shall speak about will we shall be now. Guys, please look at this board. Guys, please look at this board. Guys, we speak some sentences in our life. Guys, we speak some sentences in our life as दीवान खेत में होगा. Guys, प्लीज लुक सेंटेंसेस, दीवान खेत में होगा, दीवान विल बी इन द फील्ड। यस, संजय संजय स्कूल में होगा, संजय विल बी इन द स्कूल। महेश खेत में होगा, महेश विल बी इन द फील्ड। ओके, मैं लखीमपुर में होऊंगा, आई शैल बी इन द लखीमपुर। मैं खेत में होऊंगा, आई शैल बी इन द फील्ड। हम सब घर में होंगे, वी आर शैल बी इन द हाउस। पिताजी खेत में होंगे, द फादर विल बी इन द फील्ड। guys, to make for its sentence, then please guys look at this board. Guys, we use of shall be for first person as IV. Guys, we use of shall be for first person IV in any sentence. Guys, in any sentence. But guys, these sentence are related of simple future indefinite sentence. Okay guys, these sentences are related of simple future indefinite sentences guys. And we use of will be for third person, second person, any name of plural and singular in any sentence. But guys, these sentences are related of only सिंपल फ्यूचर इंडेफिनिट सेंटेंसेस। एज माने जैसे दीवान खेत में होगा, दीवान विल बी इन द फील्ड। मैं खाना खा रहा होऊंगा, आई शैल बी ईटिंग द फूड। एज गाइज, ठीक है। देन गाइज, आई वांट टू टेल यू ऑल स्टूडेंट्स दैट प्लीज रिमेंबर दीज ऑल गाइज, please remember these all tips, because guys these all tips is very helpful for your English conversion. Guys, please remember these all tips and improve your English conversion. Guys, please repeat sentences with me. बच्चे खेत में होंगे, children will be in the field. मोहन लखीमपुर में होगा, मोहन will be in the लखीमपुर। मैं घर में होऊंगा, I shall be in the house। मुकेश बच्चों को पढ़ा रहा होगा, मुकेश will be teaching। Guys, I want to tell you all students that I am going to end this class. Bye guys, meet you again. Bye.